What's going on, everybody? And now it's beefcake time! I recently went on a trip to Whistler and I took with me Beefcake, which I had a lot of fun flying there in the mountains, and I just wanted to show you a quick clip from this footage I've got and hope you will like it as much as I did. Thanks a lot for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave a comment below and let me know what do you think about Beefcake and the video you saw in general. All the links are in the description. Please make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit thumbs up and bell button, and see you later.